Uyono Urhobo teachings on family. Uyono Urhobo teaching on family. That's it. Ukoko Uyono Urhobo online classes. Oni mother. Oni mother. Oni mother. Oni mekpeki. My mother went to the market. Oni mekpeki. My mother went to the market. Oni mekpeki. My mother went to the market. For instance, now you see Oni mekpo eki. Okay, that is the written Urhobo in this aspect of Oni mekpeki, but the spoken Urhobo pronounced like Oni mekpeki. Now, why is Oni mekpeki? Because when two vowels are close to each other in Urhobo sentence, you are likely to silent one and blend it with the other one. For example, Oni mekpeki. Now, the O is not silent. Oni mekpeki. But the written Urhobo appear to be Oni mekpo eki. Okay, which is also correct. But in the spoken Urhobo, it Oni mekpeki. You silence the O and blend it with the A. Because when two vowels are close to each other in Urhobo language, you are likely to silent one. Ochoyowa. Onimecha, my mother is coming. 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 Oni mother. Ochoyowa. Oniwewo, how is your mother? Oniwewo, how is your mother? Oniwewo, how is your mother? Onimekidia, my mother is sitting down. 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 Onimekpada. Now, another example of when two vowels are close to each other. Now, I will give you a good example here again. Onimekpada. Now, onimekpo ada. That is the written Urhobo. Because po, it means go. Okay. So, onimekpada. Okay. Or onimekpada. So, when two vowels are close to each other, you blend it with the other one. You silent one and blend it with the other one. So the spoken Urhobo will appear to be Onimekpada, not Onimekpo Ada. Although in the written Urhobo, if you see also say Onimekpo Ada, is very correct. But in the spoken Urhobo, for it to be fluent and blend together, it will appear to be Onimekpo Ada. Okay, which is Onimekpada. Okay, to be fluent in Urhobo, Onimekpada, not Onimekpo Ada. That is the written Urhobo, how it ought to appear. But when you're pronouncing it in a sentence, it's Onimekpada. You blend the O, because when two vowels are close to each other, you are likely to silent one and blend it with the other vowel. Onimekpada, my mother went out. Onimekpada, my mother went out. Oniwe tota, your mother is talking. 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 Like our Facebook page, Ukoko Uyono Urhobo. Join our Facebook group, Ukoko Uyono Urhobo. Follow us on IG, which is Instagram, Ukoko Uyono Urhobo. Follow us on LinkedIn. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. It is free. Feyono Urhobo is worth learning. Urhobo language is our heritage. Please, my brothers and sisters in Owumi, I'm begging you, speak Urhobo to your children. Jurobo wakimo we wado Ukoko Uyono Urhobo online classes wado.